yeah, I can't remember what it's called. So it gives you a bit of an idea what we've got going on around.
25.
So lift the nose up a little bit now. Just so we don't go too fast. That's it.
I don't want to hit the shard.
No, we don't hit the shard. That's it. Now we'll straighten up. And what we'll do, we've got London City on the nose, but what we'll do is we'll do an orbit right, so you can see the gherkin down there. In fact, we'll carry on round to the left, and then you'll get a view of the whole lot again. So just keep it going left. There's the on the way to football. It's one of the football stadiums. Was the Olympic Village.
Oh,
there.
it's Stratford.
I can't remember the names of that.
That's good. So we're just going to keep an orbit going. And we're going to keep 3,000 feet now, so it's looking good.
Am I doing complete left?
Yeah, we're going to do a complete orbit now. So if you just straighten up a little bit round to your right, keep going right. We're going to go away from London City a little bit now. That's it, pushing forwards. That's it, just get the nose down so we don't climb anymore. That's good. That's Heathrow over in the distance there, where the mouse pointer is.
Alright. Where am I heading?
So
Straight or right?
we're going to go straight, then we'll do another left turn, and then bring ourselves right over the top of London. Pitch your nose up a little bit now, looking for that 5 degrees of pitch. Up a bit more.
Still going up.
Just forwards a touch, just want to maintain 3,000 feet. That's good. Now we're going to go round to your left again. It's going to bring us right over the top of London, and it's just walking straight towards London City now. Push your nose down a touch. Down a bit more. Push it down a bit now. That's it. That's good. And a little bit tighter to your left. That's a nice turn. Lift the nose up a touch, just going down a bit quick. Keep the left turn going, but just lift it up a little bit. That's the one. Up a little bit more. There's Battersea Power Station. Bring us here and all
Oh, I
that
can see
anymore.
the power station. And the Albert Hall.
That's it.
Nose.
Bank angle.
Okay, look at your right now. That's good. We're going to start straightening up.
2,500.
Pushing forwards a bit. Round to your right now. Nice turn to the right, really. Push it round. Push it round. Keep going a bit harder. That's it. Keep going a bit more. We're going to keep that right turn going. We're going to put the gear down just so we need a bit of drag. Slow it down. Keep the right turn going. I'm going to show you where the runway is now. The idea of getting that runway to the centre of the aircraft. It looks like the runway is sitting over the top of where it's its course. So if you start turning to your left now, push forwards, round to your left, good turn to the left now, really push it round. I don't know if you can just see, if I bring the mouse pointer in front of you there, can you see the runway?
Yeah.
So that's what we're aiming for. Trying to get that so it looks like it's sitting over pretty much over the top of the sea. Push the nose down a touch. Round to your left.
My left.
Yeah, just a little left, yeah. So the runway's over here a bit, we want to get it over here. Push it down a touch. Nose down. Good. Down a bit more. That's it, down a little bit more. A little bit to your left now. A little bit more left. So this is Canary Warf, we'll just let it go to the top off. not quite over top here, it's over here a little bit, so we just do a tiny bit of left turn.
Bit of left.
A little bit of left, yeah. Just keep looking at that runway now, trying to keep it in the same spot. We're just going to lift the nose up a touch now, straighten up with the turn. Looking good. Very nice, that's coming in nicely. Just keep that runway where it is. Trying to keep it in the same spot now. Slight bit of left. A little bit more to left. Pitch the nose up a touch. Up a bit more. That's good. Hold it there.
Clear.
A little bit of left. And straighten up now. Nice and straight, hands level. Just lift the nose up a very small amount. That's it. A little bit to your right. Just constant adjustments now. That's it, straight now, hands nice and level, push forwards a touch.
500.
A little bit more to your left.
Approaching minimums. 400.
That's it, nice and straight now.
Minimums. 300.
Following those birds, a bit close. Up a little
200.
bit, up a bit, hold it there, up a bit more, up a bit more, up a bit more, hold it there.
50, 40, 30,
Hold
20,
it there,
10.
nice positive landing, well done. Now you're going to steer with the feet, keep the wings nice and level. Just keep it there. That's it. Well done. That's a little bit of left pedal down. That's it. Well done, got runway to spare.
Brakes. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that was good.
Oh, that was good. Here we are at London City.
Brilliant.
Gosh, that was good. That's